What's super cool about maintenance, doing it well means making the resident happy. And doing it well also means you reduce costs, ultimately, including turnover costs, right? And so I think this is one of those unique things where it's not an exchange and a battle of the two. It's actually, if you do it right, it's the, not to be cheesy, but the rising tides raises all ship. It's the unique thing that if you do well, it actually makes both people happy. So that's one thing that is very rarely happens where you can have both people win, not at the expense of the other.
I think where we will see this technology going is creating more of those consumer-like experiences for the resident. Um, so being able to know, hey, this is the tech who's coming. I actually have a picture of him. He looks, just like an Uber. Like I know who the person is who's coming to my house. I can see where he's at on his route. So I know when he's going to get to my house. If it's a third party contractor, actually being able to see that person's license information. Again, you're letting somebody into your home. It'd be nice to know that there's a vetted person. And so I think that type of visibility with the resident is going to be something that technology is going to enable in the future. I also think, you know, this creates transparency and accountability for the maintenance staff as well. And so if you think about being able to have this uh, communication platform that enables the resident to know what's happening, but also to have the maintenance tech or the vendor be able to provide real time updates to the resident.